Oh my. Student results starting from 30 USD to the current balance you're going to see. It's not every time where you make and expect profits like this. After improving the system, we improved everything. So we're going to see starting from 30 USD. All these are just profits. All these are just profits. So you end up finding out that the deposit was $100, 130. All these are profits apart from the 30. So the 100 was something just on top as a deposit to get back that amount. So which means she's still running in profits, lots of profits, by the way. So we're just going to exclude the 30, then we're just going to make it a deposit of 100 because that 30 is not part of the whole thing. So 100 USD, then the profits is 186 or 156, and the balance is 103. Student account.
Kings are not born. They are made by artificial hallucination. Kings must fight for empires. Madmen for applause. We must learn to live together as brothers, or perish together as fools. He that can walk is born to be a king of something. Too many kings can ruin an army. Focus on what works for you. Introducing the sides of trading excellence. Trade with no fear of the markets. Win every single time. We are not your ordinary traders. We are professionals. We are money makers. Do you want to join us? Head over to our YouTube channel, subscribe and turn on the notification. Join our Telegram group and be a part of our community. We are KDMFX. Join us. Never lose again.
Okay, let's make it easy now. So we're going to deriv.com. I'm sure you saw that. You saw how to fund your account. How to create your trading account. So right now, what you're going to do is, for me, I just log in direct to my social account using the Gmail account. So then I downloaded this app for Derive. You only get it on the website. You won't find it on the Play Store. So this one is one which is going to manage everything. But whatever you see here is the same thing you're going to see on Chrome. So right here now, what I'm going to show you is how to create and manage the Derive account. So here's the thing. So you find you have 1, 2, 3 synthetic accounts. So what you need to do is you need to go click on add. When you click on add, you choose the region. So all these regions have been added there: Europe, Africa, Africa 2, and the only one which is left is Asia. So you're only limited to 4 accounts of synthetics on the same account, 4 accounts on each region. So here, if you go here, you find it will ask you to create an account. So you create your account. After creating an account, after creating an account, yes, an account will look something like this. So the account looks something like this. This is a new account I created and I funded it with about 20 USD. I didn't really take much trades on this one. Yeah. So this is an account which I'm going to be using on Zoom and other stuff to show you how to go about the trades and other stuff. So what you do is after creating that account, basically what happens, you go on to ask you to do a funding. So if you do on transfer, if you do up transfer, if you click on the transfer, it will ask to transfer. So how to transfer is you need to click where the money is coming from. So if you click here where it says Europe, this is the account you created. So you can move this 20 US dollars, or we can move the okay, let's just move at least 1 USD. We move it to the other account so that we move it back again. They don't charge anything moving that. So you see, you move that one, it comes there. So which means that one, if you want to do a withdrawal, you can request a withdrawal. Then yeah, you can request a withdrawal, but you can't withdraw $1. So what you need to do is you click here, then you click the account, this one. So you go to fund transfer. Then from fund transfer, you can transfer back the $1 because $1 is a minimum amount you can transfer to that account. So we're going to transfer back the $1. And yeah, transfer back the $1. So I've transferred back $1. Yeah, so this account, the statement is here. See, that's how the statement is. That's how the statement is. So now, so what we're going to do now is let's see. So what you need to do now is the saver here. Let me see. So these are Derive savers. So these are just savers. So what you now need to do is you see, the broker is Derive Limited. The saver name is Derive Saver. Then the login details is login details. So on the login details, the far end, there's that it looks like a file. What you need to do is just click on it. It has said copied. So with a tick there, you get the account number. You got your MetaTrader. Mind you, your MetaTrader, what you need to do is you go to your App Store or Play Store. You look for MT5. Don't get something apart from the MetaTrader. This is the MetaTrader you need to get. So let me even update mine right now. Yeah. So yeah, so you get the MetaTrader. So the MetaTrader will look something like this. So what you need to do now is you click the side. Okay. So you go to manage accounts. Then on manage accounts, what you need to do is you look for the brokerage. So which means you won't find the Derive there. So you search for Derive, you find Derive Limited, and from there, what you need to do, you remember, you can press and hold and paste it there. Or what you can do is depending on whatever keyboard you're using. Okay, but just press and hold. And you just have to paste it and hold. Then you put in the password. And you type in the password for the account. Yeah, something like that. Then the savers, there should be one saver demo, and since you're using a raw account, just go for the saver. And you log in. Once you log in, you find something like that, and you find all the transfers we did. The $1 we did, that's a transfer for the $1 we did, and that's a profit we did. Yeah. So that's the only profit we did on this account. Month, everything, that's just the only profit we did, because we just did a transfer today for the sake of this video. So that's how you now connect your account from Derive to yeah. So the next thing, which is going to be how to add indicators. So adding indicators, basically what I have to do is yeah, these are the indicators which are added to the system. Where you see all these, that's the thing you see. See? So that's the thing you see right there. That's the thing you see right there. So What else? So adding indicators, all you have to do, you click on the F symbol, and that's when you can add all the indicators. Whatever indicator you need to add, I'm sure we have a video for that. We're going to link it to you so that you can take a look at it. So you can subscribe, like, comment, whatever you want to see next, and we can move from there and see how we can help you out, start trading, boom and crash, and be profitable in the markets. So that's the way it is. So you know how it is. After a drop, you take your entries. You can exit at the red or the blue MA. That's the reason why I did the blue MA, just in case. You see, if you took an entry at this point, then didn't touch the blue MA, it spiked. Always you can wait, hold until it touches the blue MA before another spike. It's going to put you in a massive loss. So if your entry was here, always exit. Maybe 3 candles, you're out. If you're scalping, same thing here. 3 candles, you're out, but it always comes back. That's a good part about the markets. It always comes back. You see, it always comes back to that point. I already told you guys about this. After the spikes, it always comes back to the point, to the entry point. Same thing here. You got spiked where it just cut. It's where you took your entry somewhere there and you got spiked, and it always come back at a later time. It always does most of the times. So as long as the blue MA is on their downside, you don't have to worry about anything. Whatever happens, it goes all the way up. You don't have to worry about anything. All these setups, you're going to find them on the YouTube channel. You don't have to worry about anything. As long as it's an uptrend, something like this. If you check out the day, you see the day is blue, you're good to go with buying. If the day is red, you go down with sales. And what's the other thing? 30 minutes, you see it's blue, it's pushing price up. 5 minutes blue, pushing price up. There's a resistance there. Once it touches the resistance, I'm sure you can just expect a pullback. Boom. Comes the way down and to carry on going up, obviously. Because I didn't touch the TP yet. Though, if you put the perfect trend line, you can see it touches its doing. Once it breaks that, then it's an uptrend. But if it doesn't break that, then it will continue going all the way down. So that's the thing I have for you. So you now know how to create an account. You now know how to find your account, and you now know how to transfer and start trading. So the only thing remaining is the thing which are going to go in with what's that? Withdrawing. Anyways, and setting up the indicators. So we have a video on that. So that's just the way it's going to be for now. Anyways, happy trading, everybody. KDMFX signing out right now.
At KDMFX, join us. Never lose again.